All right, everybody. Step one when you're learning to do laundry is you're going to take your pile of clothes, bedding, towel, pile of laundry, and you're going to separate it into whites and colors. Now, if you just have one small hamper full of everything combined and nothing in there is brand new, has never been washed, it's all been washed before, okay? If that's the case, you can just throw it all into one load. It'll be all right. But if you have a brand new shirt or pair of pants, whatever it is, that's never been washed before, you do not want to put that in with whites. The color will run and it'll bleed all over your whites. So we're going to make sure that we separate colors and whites, and then we are going to wash in cold water for the most part. So I'll come over here, and this is my washing machine. Yours probably looks a little bit different. And we push power. You see it's on normal, just do normal. Don't worry about everything else right now, just do normal. Come over here, my temperature is set for cold. That's gonna be the easiest, simplest thing to remember. Soil level, I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Spin speed, I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Just leave them alone, let it stay on normal. Your parents, or whoever does laundry most in your house is gonna tell you where they like to have it at. They may have it slightly different, that's fine. You're going to put your detergent into your detergent cup. A lot of detergents come with a measuring cup, that's fine. Since I'm a pro, I eyeball it and I just put some detergent in there, okay? You put your fabric softener in there if you use fabric softener, okay? Some people don't use fabric softener, that's okay. When your wash is done, you take it out, you come to your dryer, and you put your things in the dryer. And before you run it, I use dryer balls instead of fabric softener. It's cheaper, that's just what I do. You always make sure that this, see how dirty it is? You always make sure that you clean it. It just wipes right off. Just make sure you clean it before you start a load, every single time. Now yours might be up here on the top. You may have like a little slide for your lint catcher. That's fine. You know, they're all different. And then for your settings, again, normal, mostly dry, sometimes is listed there. My temperature, I like to keep mine at about medium. My dryness level, of course, normal. We do that. Now, something you want to check whenever you're doing your laundry and whenever you're in a home, when you're moved out and things, is down here. You see that silver coil? Your hot air goes out through that. And if you look real close, you see that band wrapped right there in the little flathead screw? You can unscrew that just a little bit and loosen that band, and this coil will come off of that white pipe there. And that's a good thing. So you take that off, and then you take, if you happen to have a blower, like a leaf blower, you can put that onto that white pipe and blow it out of your house, and it's gonna blow out any lint that has accumulated in there. If you don't have a blower, that's fine. This is something else that you can use. It's called a lint brush, and you can stuff that in there, and you can get all the lint out from the wall. You can also use it down here. Take that out, and you can clean out in there with it, okay? Also, you can use it back here again, because this metal tubing also goes, just a minute, honey, also goes right here to the back of your dryer, and you can disconnect it there. You can also clean out inside the dryer. This is very important that you do this, because it'll start a fire if you don't. If you become in the habit of not cleaning out your lint in the wall and in the back of the machine, and then again on the inside, fire hazard goes up greatly. We once lived in a neighborhood across the street from a firefighter, and his house caught on fire from that exact reason. So always make sure they're clean. And if your dryer that you will be using hasn't been cleaned out in a long time, a year or more, you need to make sure that you do that. It's very good practice. You're not going to break anything. It's not hard to do. Just to get a flathead screwdriver and unscrew those little gray bands and it just slides right off. Both of them just slide right off. It's real simple. And clean them out real good with your lint brush, or you can blow out the wall with the leaf blower. Do not blow into your dryer with the leaf blower, however. But this is very good for safety. You need to make sure that this is clean. Ask your parents or whoever you live with that does the laundry when the last time this was cleaned out. You can take this big gray thing out to your driveway and collapse it all down and just bang it on the driveway and clean it out with your lint brush and get all the lint that's clogged in there too. The less lint that you have clogged in here, the less chance of a fire. Very, very important. So we definitely want to do that. So your homework for this week is to go through your bedroom and wherever you keep your dirty clothes, collect up all of your dirty clothes that you can find. Get them in a basket, a box, something. Take the bedding off of your bed and take your bath towel and bring it into the laundry room and separate whites from colors. And once you've done that, you have the person who normally does laundry come in there with you and teach you how they want their washer and dryer run. Everybody's got a favorite way that they do things. Sometimes things are old and they prefer it be done a certain way, and that is fine too, because maybe a setting doesn't work on one of them. Maybe they're old. That's fine. So your homework is to get all of that laundry done, and we will come back next week and we will move on to some more cleaning. What you might want to do is, if you don't have a system for collecting your laundry, and your laundry tends to end up all over your bedroom floor, get a box, get a laundry hamper, get a bag. It's something that works for you, maybe a tote or a bin, something that works for you, and put it where you seem to find that most of your dirty clothes are collecting. And do your best to get your dirty clothes in that container for this next week. And that's going to help you to keep your room clean, for one, and to be able to have your clean clothes and know where they are so that you can get your laundry done and you know what you have that's clean, what's dirty, and it's just more sanitary. When you go off to college or to your first apartment, you're going to have to take care of that. Your parents aren't going to be there to clean up your room for you, to collect your clothes for you, to do your laundry for you. So you need to be able to understand how to organize yourself in such a way that you can just have it organized and easy to manage. Just grab the dirty clothes, take them to where they go. So take care of that this weekend or this week. We happen to do laundry on Fridays in my home. That is the only day I do laundry, other than if there's an emergency. But we do laundries on Friday. So Braden will be doing his own laundry this Friday. And we'll see how it goes. And if you have any questions, just post them in the private messenger chat. We can go through that. If anybody doesn't have anyone to help them with running their machine, give me a call, and like a video call, and I can help walk you through it if you need to. And that should be about it that I can think of. It's very, very important that you do the cleaning of the hose if it hasn't been done in over a year. Mine gets done every summer. Remember to keep everything on normal settings unless your parents tell you otherwise. And just collect all that up. Get your organizational system set up for your dirty clothes from now on. And we'll give you another video next week. Good luck.